Hello, today we'll be unboxing the Members Mark Microcut Shredder. It's pretty big for the frame, so I'll try to get it in the frame the best I can. It advertises that it can feed up to 12 sheets at a time, high level of security, can shred credit cards, small paper clips, staples, and CDs. It can run up to 30 minutes continuous runtime, and it has a large 4.5 gallon pull-out bin with window reducing emptying frequency. As you can see, maybe you can't tell fully, but it is a very large box. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Go ahead and cut through that tape on the top. And the Members Mark, for those of you who aren't as familiar, is a Sam's brand. Use that scissors to our advantage and get all that tape off, just like that. Perfect. Get all that tape off. We'll go ahead and open the top right here. It's just going to be some of that protectiveness. Make sure when you're moving it home it doesn't get damaged or anything like that. Then it comes with a lubrication instructions, so when the shredder blades start getting dry, you can use that and follow that to ensure that it is working better. And then your assembly instruction and user manual with all the information. And like I said, this was bought at Sam's Club. Now the shredder's in here, so I'm going to move it, and I am going to pull it out of the box right now so you can see what it looks like. It comes with plastic wrap all around it, so I'll go ahead and take all of that off and let you see what it looks like. Alright, so there it is out of the box. It is quite heavy to move and kind of bulky. Once again, it has some of that protective covering in the bottom of the box as well, but now I got it all out of the box, and I'm going to show you some of the features that it has. So right here, it's got some plastic film we can pull right off, and that allows you to see inside of the window. I'm going to move it right up here and let you see some of it. So like I said, it does cut up to 12 sheets of paper. You'll have a bin full light, door open, overload, overheat, power on here, and then this allows you to forward and backward. You can insert the credit card, CD, DVD, those higher power things just in the middle, and then it has all of your warning things. The power switch is on the back, and then like I said, you can pull out the door from this side and allow you to empty it. However, like I said, it is big, so it boasts that you don't have to pull it out and empty it quite very often. And the good thing is with this window right down here, you can see when it gets full. Also to note, if you have tile or laminate floors, this does have 4 wheels, so it does roll easily, making this super easy to move into your office space. Once again, this is the Members Mark Shredder, Microcut Shredder. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day. All right, now that we've got it powered on, you just power it on through the switch on the back. You can insert this just a blank sheet of paper. And go and shred it just like that. You can put it all right here, and then it's going to go down here, and that's how small the shreds are. They're very, very small shreds, as you can see down there. And that's how this works. And then you can go forwards and backwards if there's a jam or anything. But like I said previously, it'll let you know if it's overloaded or the bin is full. Thanks for watching.